You know what, guys? This brand new townhouse is super rare in this area, at least. All of the materials and the finishes are more commonly seen in high-end houses in, say, Ayala, Alabang, or other exclusive subdivisions. But this is in Teachers Village, Quezon City. And this is a gem. Super nice and bright, maaliwalas, as I love to say. You have lots of vents, lots of massive windows, beautiful textures. It even has a bi-level master toilet and bath. It has a dirty kitchen that's connected to the main or clean kitchen. That's quite unique. And an atrium. And considering this only has 133 square meters of lot area, this was able to fit in a lot in this townhouse. I can't wait to show you. Today we are going around this brand new townhouse for sale in Teachers Village, Quezon City. So this being a townhouse, the first thing that you will see beyond the manual gate as well as the pedestrian gate is this 4-vehicle carport. And can I just say it is so bright. It is currently evening and we really don't need daylight because the lights inside this house, it's enough. All right, so over here we have one step made out of this gorgeous pebbles, right? Pebbling. Then you have storage over here for your garage. And then you have more storage over here for whatever it is that you might need it to be. It could be shoes, it could be more garage items like smaller ones, shoe brushes, etc. So it's here for your convenience, as well as if you want your little alcohol station just before leaving the house or just before entering the home. So over here, camouflaged with all of the vertical wooden slats, we have a door. And this one leads to the staff quarters with an ensuite toilet and bath. Now this also does have a window, but it's currently hidden. So it's up to you how you want to configure that. And then on this side, also with the solid wooden vertical slats, but this time with a digital door lock, you have your main entrance. Okay, so when you enter this door, the first thing you will see is your main stairs as well as a window that peers over your 4-vehicle carport. You also have more storage under the stairs. And then this area is multi-purpose. So it's up to you what you want to do with this space. It could be a family room, it could be a living room, it could be your entertainment room. It could also be a bedroom. So if you decide to make this one into a bedroom, you can just seal this off. And then this area is going to have access to the backyard as well as a full ensuite toilet and bath. Again, if you turn it into a bedroom. So you have your sink, your toilet, and your enclosed shower space. And do take note that this is still high ceiling. The rest of the floor is. Look at all of the pin lights. They're big and they're super bright. I love it. Okay, now one detail that I love about the stairs, basically the handles are iron and it's all in black and it's nice and simple but still has character. I mean, look at that. You have these little details over there. Okay, so let's now head up the second floor and again, more lights for the stairs. So here on the second floor and to my right, you have the living area. So you have lots of lights, as I mentioned earlier, but here you have track lights to feature your art or maybe even your TV, which could also pass as art depending on what kind of brand you have. So you have all of the outlets already stationed at every corner, actually. And then you have access to a balcony here at the back of the property. It's nice and spacious. You can have some seating arranged over there. And then you have access to a powder room. So you have your sink and your toilet right here, and you even have some storage behind the glass. And this is perfect for guests, especially since you'll probably be entertaining them on this floor as well. Right, so that being said, the rest of the floor, you have this. Now, I want to direct your attention to this because this is an airwell, right? And it could also be a garden. So it's open above. That's the reason why you see that it's wet. It's actually raining tonight. So if you had plants over there, then you'll have this nice little garden. And if you wanted to open it up, you literally could just slide all of the glass panels to a certain area. And it's gonna be an indoor-outdoor situation. It's really, really nice, whether it's at night or in the morning. And by the way, it's gonna be super bright or maaliwalas here in the morning because of this. This is a really nice design touch. Okay, now over here, you have your dining as well as your kitchen. Now your kitchen, man, you have so much storage. So right in front of your dining, you have all of this storage space. You even have a place or a shelf to feature your china or your hardware, or rather plateware. Some covered shelves. You have here an island counter with a bar, lots of storage on either side. And more storage over here. And ideally, this is where your stove is gonna go, as well as your range. Your it's up to you if you want to put a chiller in here or something. Your sink is nice and classic too, mind you, with this kind of faucet. Your provision for your refrigerator and your oven. And again, lots of storage. So what is this area, you might ask, that's been clearly separated thanks to the different tone in color? Now this is your your dirty kitchen rather. That was your clean kitchen, this is your dirty kitchen. And again, you have so much storage. Storage all around. You have a U-shaped counter over here. You have your sink facing the massive window at the back of your hold on. No, this is the front of the property. And yeah, it's still high ceiling. What can I say? You have a lot of storage space, including here under the sink. And then behind the camera, you do have still access to a balcony, and this time, as I mentioned, at the front of the property. Now you have a sliding glass door. It's actually a pocket door in case you were to cook some aromatic foods like longanisa, for example. Because ayaw mo umabot yung amoy to the rest of the floor, you can close this up. But otherwise, you can just keep it open like this. Beautiful, right? I can already imagine what it's gonna look like with furniture in it. Okay, so let's now head up to the third floor, but before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos like this one. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. I forgot to introduce myself in the beginning, but my name is Julia, and hopefully you've been enjoying this Presello house tour. So here on the third floor landing, you'll see that there's a nice little surface here where you can put some picture frames or flower pots or what have you. And you also have some storage underneath. So this is a really nice touch. It wasn't necessary, but it is really useful that it's here. I love it when designers do that. Okay, so over here you have a continuation of the light and air well. So during the day, it's gonna be nice and bright. And you might have noticed this, you have access to an attic. And then over here by the hallway, we have two doors. Let's go to this one first. And this one leads to bedroom number 1 or number 2, depending if you're going to turn the one on the ground floor as your bedroom number 1. But anyway, let's refer to this as bedroom number 1. So you have this much space. You have a window again with light coming in from the air well at the center of the home. And then you have your built-in wardrobe over here that's nice and flush, as well as an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, water closet or toilet, and enclosed shower space. And then right next to this bedroom, we have bedroom number 2. Now this room has a view. It's nighttime, so you can't really see anything. And again, this is Quezon City, but during the day, you're gonna see a pretty nice skyline with lots of sky. On this side, you again have a very flush built-in wardrobe already there. So you have your shelving over here, and then hanging space, of course, as well as drawers. And then on this side, you have the ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, toilet, and enclosed shower space. Now, this particular toilet and bath has a massive floor-to-ceiling window as well. So it's up to you if you want to treat that and make it frosted. But again, all of the rooms here are still high ceiling. Okay, now the final area, and this is the one that I'm super excited to show you guys. It's bedroom number 3. So over here, you have this much space Love the flooring, by the way. I forgot to point this out earlier, but the bedrooms have this flooring. And it's a very nice contrast against the white, the sort of matte eggshell white paint that you have for the walls and the ceiling. Again, lots of light thanks to the LEDs and eventually natural light from the window coming from the central airwell. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath. And check this out. You have a toilet, an enclosed shower space, lots of storage, his and her sinks, and again, more storage underneath. And you have a bathtub next to the window, as well as a spiral staircase leading up to, oh, that's the question now, isn't it? Your toilet and bath actually leads to a second floor that's dedicated for your wardrobe space and vanity. So you have a lot of space, your vanity here in the middle, and if you turn around on this portion, you have all of this glass to frame your city. How nice is that? Super, super nice in my opinion, especially since I love Quezon City so much. Okay, now it's time for a recap and I'll meet you downstairs. So depending on which unit you get, because again, this is a row of townhouses, you could have anywhere in between, and I'm gonna need a cheat sheet for this, but you're gonna have anywhere between 355 to about 389 square meters of floor area, and then 133 to around 142 square meters of lot area. 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite toilet and bath, and then the one on the ground floor you could turn into a bedroom as well, so that's an additional one in case you needed it, which will also have its own ensuite toilet and bath. And you have a powder room on the second floor that's perfectly accessible for guests in case you wanted to entertain them right here in your kitchen, dining, and living. And you have a fully covered 4-vehicle carport. And again, this beautiful brand new townhouse is in Teachers Village, Quezon City. So if you're anyone you know is interested in a place like this, send this video to them, or if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Hey guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more house tour videos, click right here. And we also have this new thing called Working Lunch with Presello, where I and a few random people talk about a few random things related to real estate. So if you want to join in on the conversation, make sure you click right here.